points and you try to share in any conference where you will get of any opportunity for telling something. Okay, will you do? Sure. Okay. If any students more who is wanting to keep desires, okay, if any student who is wanting to keep what any desire, the front of any a student related from the part of a teacher, please those student also can come on this place and also you can share about of our experience, about of our teacher related. Do you anybody? Do you want to anybody tell? Yes. Yes. Why not? Okay, Mr. I think you will have to share about of teacher is what you know about of that. You tell little bit. I am telling to you, do not fear from so any hesitation because mostly student I see if they want to express of any kinds of the matter before expressing just they start to think of the means what will be spoken by me. That kinds of the matter automatically start to acquire in mostly student. I am telling you, you will not have to think of those negativity which is not proper, which is not suitable for you. You only will have to think of those which is very perfectness things for your life. Will you do? Yes, please. You take this mic and also you share.
First of all, good morning everyone.
Okay.
Teacher Day. Teacher Day is celebrated all over India on 5th September. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sropalli Radhakrishnan. Sropalli Radhakrishnan was first Vice Minister and President of India. And he was very ideal teacher and a scholar man. And his father name was Sropalli Veeraswamy. And his mother name was Srimati Sropalli. And he was a great person. Sropalli Radhakrishnan was dead 17 April 1975. Thanks.
You want to say any kind of Mr. Raj, would you like to tell to anything about of teacher day? Sure. Then I think you are very confident boy. Yeah? You have not any issues for sharing of any kinds of experience the front of things. If you will be eligible for telling of any kinds of the meter the front of the frame, really, I will say about of you, you have very much what confidence. You have not depth of confidence. You have not what a sense of confidence. Confidence is a big power for conducting to any kinds of the things. If you're wanting to conduct of anything, then first of all you will have to keep ahead what confidence. If you keep confidence exactly ahead in your life, there really anything you can do from easily. And if you not keep confidence ahead, then you can't do anything. Okay, then let's start.
Hello everyone. At first, good evening all of you. Today, in front of you all, I would like to speak on importance of teacher in our life in English. 5th of September is celebrated Teacher Day as all over the world in every year. Actually, 5th of September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Swarpalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and teacher. In his later life, first he became Vice President of Indian Republic and then he became President of Indian Republic. A student all across the country this day to pay respect to their teacher. It is truly said, teachers are like backbone of our life. They play a great role up to the character of a student and shape them to become an ideal citizen of India. So, a teacher teach students very sincerely and carefully. So, it is well said, teacher are great than a god. So I am advising you, we must respect our teacher. Thank you for listening.
Your experience about of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Really, that is very plausible, that is recommendable. I most like your speech. Like this, all of the students keep please for sharing something else. You do not think to yourself that means I am what. Exactly, I am unlike a student, whether I am not able to share of any kinds of experience, such kinds of the matter. Really, no any student should think. If you think really of any negativity matters, then really you will not be able to overcome from your fear. This is called what public speaking. As you should overcome from your fear, and you should face just the front of any public for speaking. If you are speaking just going the front of any crowds with very confidently, then really anything by that will be spoken by you. And if you will not be able to speak of any kinds of the matter going the front of so much crowd, then really whole life it will be like a hodgepodge, understanding or not? So I'm telling you, you will not have to keep up for what whole life like of hot shots. You have to keep up for life exactly what reflects. Always you evoke and always you invoke. If you will keep evoke of mind, then really anything will be invoked by you very well of any such things. Understand that? When which you invoke those kinds of the concept, which concept about you are feeling to very what difficult, which subject about you are feeling to very complicated about of that subject, always you pursue, always you study. If you study continually, eternally, then really that all kinds of the knowledge one day will be quite in yours front mind, and you will be like to say to any kinds of the matter to anyone. Okay, then more anybody, do you keep of any desire to share the front of anyone? If anyone who is wanting, then let's come here, and if you're not wanting, that's a very good matter for you all. I'm not wanting to tell the name of any student here. Okay? Not. Okay? Then once again I'm going to tell you all students about that teacher day. Lots of best of wishes. Your day always you'll be nice. It is my wish for the God, and you be very successful student in your life and always be healthy as well as getting educations. Thanks.